Guys, today we have an unboxing here of a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. And be patient with me because y'all just gotta get ready, you know? 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Got my killer knife. Okay. Here's the box. Take a look at it before we unbox this. Beautiful. And if I am correct, I think this is the newer version. This is the top. Beautiful, beautiful. I am really amazed. Really good boxing. Yeah. Okay. Do this one-handedly. So, put it. Okay. Little chair. I'm gonna show you. Come here. You're in the video. Okay, let me try to get this part. Okay. Now I have it set up. Okay. I got that side open. Oh, jeez. Got the killer knife. Come on, yeah. Alright, alright. One more. That should be it. Okay. Oh, no, there's one more. No, Rosario? Okay. Okay. Oh. We have a special guest in the vid. Our doggy. My boxer Maximus. Alright, well, don't say hello. Okay.
Maximus?
Yeah. Smiley. She's a girl, so Smiley. That was my little brother. Okay. Little box goes in. There's Miley. Nanny. Woo. Good dog part. Wow. This is beautiful. Let's set this aside. The knife. See what else is in the box. Righty. This was never on the other Rubik's Cube. Just a normal Rubik's Cube stand with a little special. Okay. What else is in here? That's it. Okay. Alright. Well, let's take off the plastic on this. How do I do this? I just slide it out. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Wow. Wow, this moves really good. This moves really good. I am very pleased. Let's see if it cuts corners. Wow. Did y'all see that? That was good. Let's do another corner. Wow, that was good. Alright, let me try this one, but down. Maybe that was a little bit too much. This turns really good. Wow, really good. I don't think I should even lubricate this. This is pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And this was my unboxing of the 4x4. My junk here now. This is just the box. Killer knife. Alright guys, let me set this up for y'all. Oops, upside down. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed it. Subscribe if y'all want. I'd really like it. Like, comment, I'll get back to y'all. Add me. And I'll put the other stuff in the description for my, I guess, Facebook, whatever. Right here, big finger. Woo! Alright, well, see you later, guys. And here's a special goodbye from Miley. Which she appears to be gone. Okay, well, didn't mean to make this video long, but alright. Let's go. And there's my dog biting on that thing. He was biting on my stick. Wow, alright. Bye, guys.